Today we're going to be talking about the best AI employees. Now, we've obviously been testing a lot of these AI employees out, so if you're watching this video in 4 or 5 months' time, there might be a newer video because I feel like with everything in AI, everything either improves or goes down in quality, so the list might be a little bit different in a few months' time. But kicking us off, what is your favourite AI?
Yeah, so with regards to AI employees, my favourite at present is Go High Level. And the reason for that is there's certain nuances that I've wanted to change. And I think that their support and their development team are all over any improvements that need to be done, and they're improving them straight away. So I've gone back and forth quite a lot with the Go High Level team, and the AI assistance of what the employees now are doing is giving me everything that I need to do. This is mainly for following up on lead generation. So when a lead first comes in, it's able to go back and forth, nurture and get that information that the estimators or quantity surveyors might need to be able to price up certain jobs. So I'm going to have to put at number one for myself, Go High Level, as being the best AI employee at present.
Yeah, we've been doing a lot of testing with Go High Level, and one of the things that you can actually do is you can create like your own chatbot, feed it all of your company's information, and then it's almost like it's a surveyor, or it can do like quotes and stuff like that on the fly because you've given it, let's say, 500 of your previous quote email templates and stuff like that. So yeah. That's probably number one for me. We also have got Marbalism as well. Obviously you've been testing Marbalism out a lot, but for people that have not used it or never heard of it, it's almost like a WhatsApp in a way, where you've got like your SEO blog writer, you've got your social media person, you've got your receptionist, you've got your community manager. All of those are basically built in. Now, one thing that I think is really important with all of these AI employees that we mention is not one of them only knows about your company. You need to feed that information to these AI employees. So whether it's emails, whether it's scraping your website, whether it's blog articles, they need to understand what you do, who you are, and what you serve as well.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, there's one or two within the AI employees that I don't actually like too much. So the SEO blog writer, I believe that you can prompt it yourself and spit out better search engine optimization, optimized content yourself, or you can use Claude or ChatGPT yourself with the right prompts. So I don't really think you need to use Marbalism as an AI employee for writing content, and also for the lead generation as well. However, I've actually quite liked the legal assistant. I've had certain contracts being sent through, and I'm like, it just able to make it nice and concise and give me the information of what I need to be going back to if I disagree with something, or I'm looking at and checking out my privacy policy and stuff like that. So there's one or two of the AI employees within Marbalism that I like, and there's one or two of them that I don't like. But yes, it's a brand there that I'm happy with at present. Like I said, we're testing out all the best AI employees, and it's certainly one of the brands that's up there. Another one that I've been testing out is Sintra AI. Again, it's pretty similar, where it's got all the different AI employees. Like, one could be a personal assistant, one could be a social media manager, one could be a receptionist and stuff like that. They've got like voice AI for like overflow call centers and stuff like that. And again, it's good. It's only really as good as the prompts that you're giving it, and I suppose that's the same with all AI employees. But Sintra AI is another brand that I'm quite liking as we're comparing all the top rated AI employees.
I really like their brand in Sintra. They've got like, if any of you guys have seen their ads ever, they've got like the little mini robots, or whatever you want to call them. Next on the list is Use Motion. Use Motion, again, they've got like little robots. So if you are looking at their website, they've got like Alfred, which is like the AI executive assistant. They've got like a sales rep. But again, like with a lot of these, it's probably going to maybe even come down to pricing, I think, for a lot of people, because they're all doing a very similar thing where you need to feed it like your company's information, whether it's scraping your website. So again, like what you were saying, James, it's probably coming down to how good your prompts are, and also how good the information you're feeding it as well. So if you feed it like free company emails as opposed to feeding it 300 company emails, it's probably going to come down to the information it's got at the time as well.
Yeah, for sure. And then another one that we've been testing, I also completely agree with the Sintra kind of AI kind of ads. They're great. Lindy AI is another one that we've been testing quite a lot. Like you said, they are all very similar with regards to the personal assistant, the social media and stuff like that. What I quite liked about Lindy AI was the support chatbot. I thought was quite good. It was quite easy to set up. And the LinkedIn prospecting as well. Quite like that, going out for certain brands where it was able to go back and forth with certain, we do quite a lot of work in schools. So I was messaging like bursars and school business managers and head teachers. And that seemed to work really well on the LinkedIn kind of outreach using Lindy AI. I think that's also, I've got to throw that into the mix for the best AI employees. But there's one last thing as well on what I did miss on the Go High Level, which I did really like, and we've been doing quite a lot, is the overflow call center. So the amount of businesses that we're sending leads to, that we was realizing that at 5:10, the offices were shutting down and no one was taking the calls. And now with the AI overflow, they've got the AI voice assistant. They're able to take that information. You feed it the information of what they need. They get the name, what they're looking to have priced up and all the rest of it, and then able then to get that information and send it through on an email. So that for Go High Level was another thing that I really liked when I'm trying to compare the best AI employees. But what's your 1 and 2? What's your best and second best AI employee at present?
I think Go High Level's number one, and I'm gonna pick Sintra, mainly because of because of the branding, and then they're relatively cheap as well. Like they're $97. But if I had to pick one, it would probably be Go High Level.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I on the Sintra, I didn't really say too much on it, but they've got the ecom bot as well and the data analyst, which is also pretty good. So yeah, Sintra is good, but at present, I don't know whether I'm quietly kind of swayed because I'm using High Level for other things and it can integrate all together. It's like an all-in-one platform. So you can do like email marketing and all the rest. So it kind of all ties in with each other. And I think that's why I'm wanting Go High Level to be the best. And I'm going back and forth with the development team because then it's all in one platform. It all interconnects with each other. As the leads are coming in from High Level, you're then actually responding and stuff like that all in the one platform, which I think is good. Instead of having like an email marketing, an AI employee and all these other things.
I think the biggest thing for me would, like, if I was speaking to a business owner, is look at all of the tools that we've mentioned, look at the integrations, because some tools can integrate into Gmail, some tools can't, some tools can integrate into Google Sheets, and work out a workflow that works for your business. Like us saying that Go High Level is the best might not be the best solution for you, because you might be on an e-commerce store, for example. So what we say in this video might depend from business to business.
Yeah, for sure. And then just to round it up, for the best AI employees, my 1, 2, 3 at present, and this could change. So maybe if you are watching this, drop an email through to us or go over to FatRank and fill in a contact form. And I can tell you in real time what my current best is. But my 1, 2, 3 would be Go High Level number 1. Marbalism, I'd say number 2 at present. And then Sintra AI has been number 3 for the best AI employees.